By the end of this video, you will know how to use mirror columns in monday.com. To begin, open the board where you want the mirrored information to appear. Look across the top of your board to the row of column headers. Then go to the plus button at the far end of those headers. Click that button and choose Connect Boards. This adds a column that links items in your current board to items in another board, which is what mirror columns rely on. Once the Connect Board setup opens, click Select Boards. You will see a list of available boards in your account. Choose the board you want to connect to this one, then click Connect Boards to confirm. Make sure you select the correct board before moving forward, because the mirrored data will come from that board. After the connection is created, monday.com shows a confirmation message. In that message, click Create a Mirror Column. This takes you directly into the mirror setup, so you can decide which information from the connected board should appear in your current board. Next, choose the column you want to mirror, Monday. Com will show the columns available from the board you just connected. Select the one you want to display in this board. The mirrored column will then be added to your current board, ready to pull in values from the linked items. At this stage, the structure is in place, but the mirror will not show anything until the correct items are connected. Go to the Connect Boards column in the row you want to work with. Click Connect Item, then select the matching item from the connected board. This creates the relationship between the item in your current board and the item in the other board. As soon as that item is connected, look at the mirror column in the same row. The data from the connected board appears there automatically based on the item you selected and the source column you chose earlier. If you connect a different item, the mirrored value updates to reflect that linked record instead. This setup is useful when you want one board to display information that is maintained somewhere else, while still keeping the connection between related items visible in the Connect Boards column. The main thing to watch is that the mirrored column only displays data after both parts are configured. The boards need to be connected first, and then the correct items need to be linked row by row. If you are reviewing your board and the mirror column looks empty, return to the Connect Boards column and confirm that an item has been selected for that row. Without that linked item, there is nothing for the mirror to display. Your monday.com board now shows mirrored data from a connected board through a mirror columns.